Understanding a collision report. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but important topic: understanding what a collision report is. Whether you're a driver, a student, or just curious about the term, this video will shed light on what a collision report entails and why it's significant. Let's get started. A collision report is an official document that is filled out by police officers or authorized personnel after a vehicle collision occurs. This report contains detailed information about the incident, including the date, time, location, the parties involved, and a description of the event. It serves as a vital record for insurance companies, legal proceedings, and personal documentation. Understanding a collision report is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it provides an official account of the events leading to and during the collision. This is essential for insurance claims, as insurers rely on this report to determine who is at fault and to assess damage claims. Secondly, in legal scenarios, the collision report can serve as evidence, helping to establish facts and responsibilities. Lastly, for personal records, it helps individuals keep a documented history of the incident, which can be useful for future reference. A collision report typically includes 1. Identification of parties involved, names, addresses, and contact information of all individuals involved in the collision. 2. Vehicle information, details about the vehicles involved, including make, model, year, and license plate numbers. 3. Narrative of the collision, a detailed description of how the collision occurred, often including diagrams or sketches. 4. Witness information, names and statements of any witnesses to the collision. 5. Officer's notes, observations and initial findings of the responding officer, including any citations issued. Understanding each component is vital as it contributes to the overall picture of the incident and its repercussions. We hope this video helps clarify what a collision report is and why it's so important. Remember, in the event of a collision, it's crucial to stay calm, ensure everyone's safety, and cooperate fully in the creation of the collision report. It plays a key role in the aftermath of an incident. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe and informed.